Dear graduates, let humility be your sail and conviction your compass. May you bring light to the world and to your own path ahead. No matter how far you go, never forget who you are and where you come from.
Sometimes I play it safe, and you can see it. It's easy for me to show. But sometimes I'm really brave, and that just means that I'll try again tomorrow.
Life is a practice. Practice who you want to be. You have to walk with the courage, lead with compassion, and the dream of a better world, not just for yourselves, but for everyone around you.
Quits no, when life hit me apart, I went faster and farther. I just gotta remember I was made for this.
Class of 25, the world does not need more operators of AI machines. It needs architects of impossible dreams. Your education has given you wings. Your passion will teach you how to soar. Congratulations, graduates. Now, go deeper.
Today, it's as much as their victory as yours. Looking back, your journey was filled with triumphs. Look at you. You have learned so much, not just from the textbook, but from each other.
Creating mountains where the valleys used to be. And all the things I thought I knew were changing like the seas. Yeah. But I've overcome it all and I'm still here. Oh, I gotta change perspectives if I really wanna see. Sunrise over the water, I swam over and under. Get lost in all the wonder, never call it quits, no.
Standing at the threshold tomorrow, let's remember this moment isn't the end. From the start, it's just the beginning of countless new adventures. We've learned, we've laughed, and we've grown. Now it's time to carry those lessons with us. The future is ours to shape, and we'll do so with courage, curiosity, and the same resilience that has led us this far. So here's to the class of 201. The dreamers, the doers, the survivors. We didn't just make it, we thrived. As we embark on this next chapter, let us do so knowing we have already overcome so much, and this best is yet to come. Congratulations, graduates. On and upward.
Has anyone stolen what your eyes have been holding somewhere in your heart? If this is where the future can start, then I'm glad I'm here next to you.